Okay, great.
Okay. Okay. I can see your screen as well.
This one, classic home. No? Take this here. Classic home.
Right.
Here, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm getting call. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
सलाम आपने नहीं मैं क्लास में हूँ इसी अभी अब स्टार्ट ही 1 आवर थी अच्छी बात ओके सलाम हाँ ये आप लगी
Okay. I think I don't see any report we created yet, right?
yeah we have
Okay.
not created any report just
Created
we
anything.
explore
Okay.
the options
Right, right, right. Okay, no problem. You can go to create again. You need any recap or you at least anyways.
no. Here
Hmm.
actually I'm a little bit comfortable but here I don't know how to create the what you called dashboard reports all that things I need knowledge on that part.
Yeah, sure. Then let's proceed, right? You click on analysis.
I will take this.
Yeah, let's select our subject area. No worries. And you add some columns. Okay, this part I think we covered last time, right?
Yeah. From
If
fact we have to add, right?
not only fact, you should add the dimension. Then only the data will be meaningful, right? Only
Yeah.
numbers may not give you the correct idea, but yes, if you add it by business unit, by account number, will give you a more clear idea, right?
Some rows are there now. Can payment amount, discount amount, total amount, right? And
Right. That's fine.
dim calendar. Yeah,
That's okay.
okay. Results.
Okay. You can see the result, right? You can adjust the business unit description, just drag it to back to the account details. Yeah, just drag it. Not from from there. Correct. Okay. Okay. Let's save this report first. I think last time we didn't save it because today we are going to spend some time on result view only. Last time we see, if you remember, we spent a lot of time or to cover all the features from a criteria tab. Now today we will
Yes.
focus all the topics from a results one, because these are all detail have to be covered. This is how you are going to use a day-to-day life whenever you work on OAC or Classic Home. Right, you can save it.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go back to the criteria. Click on criteria tab. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we also covered here filters also, how to add a filters. You see there is a filters column, filter section below.
Yes.
So if any filter or any data
Yeah.
filter which
Yeah.
you need to add, yeah, so these filters are something which is specific to the column only, right? That's how you selected on a column. But if any other filter which is not a part of this report, but
Yes.
still you want to add, then you should use the below view filters.
Here, right?
Yeah,
Here we do not
right.
have option to add the filters.
Yeah, here it is, na? Go to your left, correct.
Yes.
Add. So these are all the columns which is available in report. So you can either add it from above or here, or otherwise just cancel it and click on more columns. If you click on more columns, you will see it. No, not this one. This is a normal report, right? Column filter, which is okay. Just click on
Okay,
the
more
plus sign
columns
again.
where?
Plus sign. Hmm. Click on
Okay.
that. And the last option, see more, correct. Now you see,
Okay.
irrespective of how many columns you have in report, you have a whole bunch of lists there.
Okay.
And
Complete
you
subject
are
area details.
correct. So this is something we call it as a global filter at a report level.
Okay. Okay. Suppose I have taken this one.
Right? Yeah. Now you are adding a filter. And if you remember last time we see that you can convert this some particular filter into the SQL statement as well. There the option is given, right? Convert this filter to SQL. So you can do that
Mhm.
also.
I'm not taking equal. I want to pass this value at runtime.
What do you mean by runtime?
Runtime means when I'm checking that result, at that time I want to select this filter.
Sorry, come
Here,
again. When you
see, here it is asking to take that, what we called
correct, right,
values.
values. Huh?
Instead of that one,
Hmm.
my aim is I want to select this values when I'm
Hmm.
checking the results.
Okay, so then we call it as a dashboard prompt, Sadiq. We'll see that. Hold on. I
Okay.
get your point. Let's check this feature first. So this is something if you want to apply a hard code filters, right? Not only hard code, if you want to apply a variable based filters also. Okay. So how variable based filter works is, let's say assume that you have calculated the variable called, or created a variable called current month. Now you want to show this particular report on a current month, right? So you will have a filter based on a month ID, and that month ID you will be putting as a month ID equal to session variable current month,
Mm.
right? So it will help you to every time you need not to come here and put the current month, because your variable is storing a value of a current month. Your report will continue working on a current month process.
Okay.
So these kind of filters we apply here. The filter which you are talking about, we call it as a dashboard prompt. We'll see that later.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can cancel it for now. Okay. And let's go back to the results now. Let's see today the results tabs. Okay. Now let's see all these above options, like small, lot many options have very, very important feature, each of them, because that is how you are going to decorate, you are going to publish, you are going to explore your dashboard, your results, right? So
Okay.
first is print. Let's go from left to right.
Okay. Left to
So
right.
first one, yeah. So first one is a print option, extreme left,
This
Sadiq.
one.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one, correct. If you just click on it, this is something if you want to print this result in PDF or HTML. The other
Mm.
one is very, very important. You just go to the next icon, and that is, we call it as a export the result. It will help you to export the result. In many
Mhm.
cases, users are exporting result based on Excel, CSV data and all. So that is why we should be using this. Okay. Next is just click on the other one. No, not that one. Before that, I think before that it's a calendar. What is it? Schedule.
Schedule.
Yeah. You can schedule this report. I think it will reroute you to the agent part. We'll see that later. You can skip it for now. No problem.
Return. How can I go?
Let me see. Okay, I think you came out of a window, right? Let's see if Windows back button works. Mhm. Scroll down, edit. Hmm. Okay. Now click on the other one, the specs sign. Hmm. Okay, this is nothing but your theme, like the same way we had a theme in our visualization as well. Here also it's a color theme. You see default is a redwood, but you have other color themes also. Now let me highlight one part, okay? Color themes and presentation and all, we generally give more importance in visualization part. Here, because we more focus on a data, right? We more focus on data accuracy and data quality and all. So these kind of adjustments and all are not expected. So you can keep it default also. You need not to too much worry about changing the, color combination and all. But yes, if that is a project requirement, then this is the place you should come and check it. But here, if you see, I don't see an option here to add your customized palette. These are all the default pre-built one given, and then you need to select one of them, right? This is, I thought that it is there. This is something is good one. Okay. Blah, FP and Fuse, these are deprecated. All below are deprecated. We have only two themes there. Default is
Ulta and
Redwood, Alta and
Redwood.
Redwood. Rest all are deprecated. Deprecated means it was available in earlier version. In new version, they got cancelled.
Okay.
Something. Yeah. Okay, you can cancel it. Let's go to the other part. Yeah, just click on, no, that is refresh, simple refresh, nothing much here.
This is print.
Print and export options, I think, which we already have it, print and export. But this is something is you can adjust the page, settings and all everything. You can cancel it for now, nothing much.
This one is mail.
Email. You can result this email. You can share the results of this over email directly if you want to send email to somebody. Okay. Cancel it. And the next one is views. What all views are available.
Will it work here?
Yeah, that's fine. So this is kind of sending an alert only. So if you say later, never. Repeat, you said never. Otherwise, you can repeat it, monthly. Let's say what is repeat option. And now these are the visualizations, all visualizations, available here. Mainly, if you see, not all visualizations from our OAC portal will be here. But yeah, mainly kind of where we can handle many data elements, lot of data elements. So trails, graph, funnel. I don't remember if funnel view we had there. Here we have a funnel view, map view, filters. Select. If you can click on other views, please, once. Other views may you have a column selector, view selector, very nice, interesting views. So if you take all this, it will anyways take a time, but let me help you to understand what is column selector, view selector. See, in many cases, we create a report where, let's say, assume that you have a 10 columns, right? And out of these 10 columns, another group of people who are not interested in all 10 columns, they just want to see the 5 columns. So this column selector, or instead of 5 columns, they want to have their own A, B, C, D, E columns, right? So because you have a 5 extra column into the report, we are not going to create a 2 report. What we will do, we will create the same report with all 15 columns, one view with 10 columns, which is required by group A, so another view with same 10 columns required by group B, and you are going to use a column selector. If group B is looking at report, they will see only those columns which they are intended to use. As soon as you select the another section, it will be showing you the columns from group A only. So not all 15 columns will be visible. You can actually select the column to view in the report. It will keep on replacing your existing columns into the report. Okay, so your baseline report will have a 10 columns. You will have an option to choose the replace the columns in the result itself. So you will go and select that, oh, I don't want to see it by account detail. I want to see it by business unit. You will just click the drop down, you will select business unit, and your report will start showing data for business unit. So randomly changing the column names or columns in the report is possible this way. Sadik. Similarly, view selector.
2 views based on this one.
Sorry?
Let us create 2 views.
Okay, we'll create it. Hold on.
Yeah, we are having here. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Okay. Let's go through all the options first, right? And then we will anyways create all the detail view. So you can note it down. In fact, I want you to note it down while we are going through the theory sessions. I want you to note it down what all options, what all practical you want to cover. I would, let's do that interactive way. Okay. You can note it down. When we are going to create it, remind me that, okay, I want to create this view, this feature we discussed. This is interesting. So we'll do it. No worries. Now let me help you to understand view selector. View selector again is a nice view. Let's assume that to show the same representation of data, you have created table view and graph view. Now, because of a space adjustment, you are not, and even user is not going to see both the reports at the same time, graph also and table also. So what we do generally, we show default as a graph, but if user want to see something detail about that graph, then he can select, or he or she can select the table view also. So that kind of view adjustment we can definitely do here. Then legend. Legend is something, just keep on adding the descriptive values into the view. Narrative, description view. Ticker, nice. It's a kind of a dancing, character. You write it down some title, and that title will keep moving on to the dashboard. It is not a static one. Static text is a simple static text, and logical SQL, generally we don't use it. Like if you have some random color theme or something, then we use the last one. Okay, so this is about all the views. Let me remind again, these views are different from what we had in a visualization. Obviously, multiple column selector, view selector, they are not needed there. Right? Okay, let's go to the other one.
Here formulas you have to write.
No. Why are we in formulas? You can, okay. It's a new calculated formulas. So something which is not available in your report and you want to totally created a new formula, you can create it here. Instead of, so there are two ways, Sadiq. You need not to be necessarily coming here. Generally, what we do is, or I have that habit itself that, okay, you add another column into your report and from your subject area, and then just change it completely. Name by folder name, column name, and then you add your formula. So generally that is the generalized method. But then here also you can add a new formula. So both ways possible. Either you come here and add it. This is the standard way. Otherwise, you just add any random column from subject area and rename it as per your requirement. That is also okay. Okay, you can cancel it now. New calculated measures is done. See, hold on. Before we move ahead, and last time also I missed, I think. Let's click on beans here, Sadiq. I want you to understand the beans also. Nice concept. Beans is nothing but grouping of similar kind of data. For example, you have employee data, right? You are working on HR, so employee data, and employee data you want to segregate, classified in between males and females. So if you click on beans, beans will allow you to select particular values. Let me repeat it. It doesn't work randomly. You have to select the particular values from that column. For example, Anita, Sunita, ABC, XYZ and all. That 5 girls will become a group of female. Then XYZ, ABC, PQR, that 3-4 guys become a group of male. So these kind of grouping. So for example, the number of values have a similar characteristics and you want to group them together. You want to give some name to that, all those values, right? So that kind of feature, we call it as a beans. As the name suggested, beans is nothing but you have a number of beans in a one bag and then you call that bag as a ABC. So that kind of a grouping is possible here.
Okay.
You see,
That
add
means
bean here.
we can group it in number of
Values in the
values.
column. Click on and add beans. Now let's see it. Just quickly we'll
We are
see it.
getting error here.
You must ensure that the value, okay, you cancel it, say okay. See, column formula is blank. Now you need to have something here. Then only beans will allow you to select some values, right? Click on, no, not amount. Beans doesn't work on a measures. Measures are simple numbers. You should be having a dimension values so that beans, you can select a beans.
No, in dimension, we do not have any expansion here.
You need to cancel this. Anyways, you can select a payment here. Let's select the payment amount.
Okay. No, why we are not getting dimensions values here? Columns, dimension columns.
We should actually, because that's how the beans work. Can you just select on payment amount once? And now click on beans. Because this is a new formula from above section, right? Yeah, just click on that. Now you see you are getting the payment amount as a value, but ideally we will go, go back to down also. So I think the option which we are looking at is only allow you to create a major column. It doesn't allow you to create the any metric or any metric or KPI here. That is the reason we are only able to select the majors here. Can you just cancel it once? Now you know, right, how to add the values. Let's look at the other beans. Cancel it. Cancel, cancel. Let's not use a new calculated measure.
Okay.
Go to criteria, criteria.
Okay.
Select business unit description, settings, and edit formula.
Business unit description.
Yeah, edit formula, edit formula. Edit
for
second option. You see, we have beans here. Just click on beans. Okay, add beans. Now it will allow you to add a dimension value. So let's say that by choosing China and India, you want to call China and India as a APAC. So remove America. Select China and India. No, China, America you remove and select India channel. Scroll down if you have anything. Okay, it's okay. Let's call China and India together as APAC. Give a name there, APAC, APAC channel. Okay, India China channel. Yeah. Say okay. So now whenever you see India and instead of India and China, you will always see the value called India China because that's how the grouping happened, right?
1 minute, Pallavi. साउंड बढ़ा रहे क्या? Yes, Pallavi.
Okay, you can click on add beans. Okay, no need to add beans. I think it is already there. Just click on no. We have already done that. You can cancel it.
Okay.
Click OK. And save the data. Yeah, save the report.
No, how can I see the bean values here?
You will be seeing there. Hold on. Just scroll down. America channel, scroll down. Europe channel. Here you will see India,
Yeah.
China. Right? So you
That
will not
means
able
it's
to.
nothing but grouping.
Yeah, that's what I said, right? It's a grouping, correct.
Okay.
That is why it is called it as a beans. It is not hiding your data. It is not filtering the data. You see, other values are still visible. It's just masking the data. You will not see now China and India channel as a separate. However, both together we are calling them as a or we are calling them by some group, and that group called APAC. So there are these kind of there are n number of requirements come from business, right? So Oracle try to cover every possible channel, every possible requirement. So this is one of them.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, let's go above and click on the third option, second one. No, this is done. What is it? New group. Okay. Just click on that. If it is a security group, we will hold it. Otherwise, okay, it's a kind of same feature again. Beans like a feature. How many, again, you select some values and you give some group name. But then this group name will be available for all views. Okay, whichever views you are using everywhere. This is okay. Same, but then again, hard coding. You cannot do it flexible and all. It's a complete hard coding.
Okay.
Yeah, you can cancel it. Click on the other one. New calculated item. I think you already have it. Major is there, and now you have a calculated item again. You select the values, again hard coded. I don't know why they give so many features. It should be in a one column and all features should be there. It's just trying to make the fancy product, nothing else. This is important. Yeah, just click on edit analysis properties. So you see you have a display result here. Generally, if when you run the report and all, and if there is no data at all in your report, so you get some long message. So instead of that long message, you can have a display, change your display logic also. That display default or display custom message, click on that. And you just add it there. Maybe you want to have a header message, nice something, which is okay. Otherwise, you just say no results or no data for selected criteria, something like that. Any custom message as per your business need, you can put it here. And accordingly, the results will be, so it will not show the lengthy message. The message which Oracle shows, sometimes it confuses the end user. Many times end user come up with the issue that, okay, we are getting error in the report. No result means error. Ideally, it's a no data into the report. So that it is not an error. So to avoid that kind of questions from end users, what you can do, you can add a nice customized message. So instead of no result, it will show that, okay, no data for selected criteria. So it is a clear message for end user. Then end user will not come to you by saying that, okay, I am getting error. Something, yeah, or no data available. Right. Okay, so click OK. And then even for that, you see below, you can choose a view for which view you want to show this result. Whole compound layout, then every view under that compound layout, you will be seeing the result. Otherwise, you can pick up the particular view also. Right? Now let's see what interaction. Click on interaction. Okay, drill down. What all possibilities are available on your result? Drill down, move, sort column, move column, add or remove values. Let's not do it. Edit, remove group, calculated columns and all. It will become more complex, your same report, like when you start adding and removing values from the group itself. So we can leave it. Exclude, yeah, include, exclude column is possible. So whenever you are, let's say you have a 10 columns in table, you need 5 columns. So 5 columns you can exclude easily. So that all checkboxes are there. Yeah. You go to the data ones. Okay, null values, include null values. The first one, if you want to include null values, you can, otherwise leave it. Displaying existing and new views. Yes, whatever view you are treating as, it has to be displayed in the same view and other view also. Exclude from but display in a new view. Okay, if that particular value, particular analysis you want to not show in this report but another one, then all these are some customized, characteristic. Good to have again. Yeah, value, parents should be above and children should be below if you are showing a hierarchy. So that all kind of customized features are here. You can cancel it now. Import from another analysis. So this is something, right? You have already created the analysis on another environment, another folder, report somewhere, and you just want to, you don't want to create it, right? You have a similar data, similar columns present in this report as well. You just want to import it. Analysis, like some complex result you have created in another environment, you can get it here.
Environment, otherwise here only in this environment.
Yeah, when I say environment, you will migrate it from that environment to here using archive, unarchive. You will save it in somewhere in a folder and then you will access it. There
Okay.
is no direct connection.
Yeah.
New environment, right? Okay, what is next? Next is a compound layout. Now let us understand what is compound layout. The screen, the result screen which you are looking at, complete big screen, that is called a compound layout. Now one compound layout is consist of multiple views. You can add n number of views in a one compound layout, like your canvas. In visualization, we call it as a canvas. Here it is a compound layout.
Mhm.
So compound layout one, like you have created a base report and then on top of that you are creating a summaries and all. So you have a compound layout one, then you have a compound layout two, and then you can keep on adding. You have a then nice title view, then table view, then pivot view, then graph. So for every visualization, you need not to create a different views. You know, it can be all come together,
Mhm.
right? Okay.
Now, in compound view,
Hmm.
how can we add our columns, all the things?
No, you need not to add. Your columns are added. All you are going to treat is you are going to add a view here. So in this compound layout, you need to just go up and select a view there. Bar graph option, yeah. Just click on that and select pivot view, pivot table.
Okay. Okay. That means it
Correct?
will bring all the columns. Okay.
Correct. Yeah. I mean, and then we'll see that now. We'll see one view also in detail, one by one.
Okay.
So you will get the idea. But then compound, now you got it, compound layout. You just
Yeah.
keep on adding. So number of views, and as soon as you start adding views, you see, you will have some nice names also, title, table, pivot. So these names also you can change, Sadiq. We'll see that later, right?
Okay.
But as we
Okay.
are on a compound layout, I want you to see on a left bottom panel, you see left bottom, all the views which are a part of this particular current compound layout are listed here. Okay, you say column will selector, pivot, table 2, table 3, table 4. Now,
Mm.
when you open it next time, if you want to edit some view, if you want to
You see.
delete, remove, add some view, then you should be coming here.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you just select the view. You see, either you add it or you remove it. So for example, let's remove table view from here. Remove the table view from here.
Here, how can I remove
Just click on the cross sign. Na?
this one?
Table view. No. That will remove your title view. I want you to remove a table view. Another cross below. So,
This one.
right, hold on now. Before you click on a cross, I want you to understand these two are different two views. Huh? Above view, where you see sample analysis report, this is called a title view. The below,
Okay.
where you see the tables and columns, this is called a table view. So there are two
Okay.
views. Okay, out of
Okay.
them, you are deleting one view, delete table view.
Okay.
Okay. Now no worry, this is nothing but like, this is not like you deleted something, you know, very crucial and you cannot get back. It is a simple table view. Now I want you to go back to your left bottom
Okay.
section, and from here you can select a pivot view again. So that view is still there. Just scroll down, pivot table, select that and just click on a double arrow. There is a double arrow option, right? The last, correct, just add it. Oh, okay, it calls the Reno view. Can you just see the arrow, forward arrow? Just click on that. Forward arrow,
This
dark forward arrow.
this one.
After views, Sadiq, after views in a same panel.
Okay.
That one. Just click on that and your view got added. It was a
Okay.
table view, but we added a pivot view. So table view
That
also
means
similarly you can add.
from here also we can select it. Otherwise here also. We're
Right.
having both options.
Right. No, for above one is when there is nothing, not at all. So above one will help you to create the view. The below option is going to view either you want to save or remove or edit or delete the created view. So the first step is mandatory because you need to add a view. Now second step is optional if you want to add, remove, delete view. Then the second step comes into the picture.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's look at the, let's take one view in detail, because if we consider all views, it will be a lot lengthy process. Let's take one, two, three different views in a detail. So let's talk about a title view. Click on, I want you to click on A tab, A option of a title view.
Okay. This
Go
one,
to
no?
the title
Left.
view. No, not left. Title view in a compound layout, and click on A sign, A.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you edited it, no problem. So this is a formatting. You can format that view, background, color, text and all and everything. You can, do some bordering and all.
Okay.
Yeah, do the
Branding
border,
here.
right, center, and select the border. Select all borders. Custom, last option, and select all four of borders. Give border color some different, right.
Double.
No worries, yeah. Double will be little bit broader, but that is okay.
Take something like this.
Okay, and position, you said all. This one is, yeah, this will help you to adjust. Right now it is a best fit. So whatever is your report area, accordingly it will be showing you the result. So click OK for now. Otherwise, if you need a fixed length and width of that title, then you can add it here a fix. So then if it is 100, 500, so 100 as a width and 500 as a length, it will be always like that. Then you cannot adjust it. So hard coding is possible if you want a specific size. You don't want to move it here and there, right? So then you can do it. This is again all depend on a business requirement. It is doable. It's just when to use it is something our decision. So click OK now. And click on edit sign now. Pencil. Always remember any pencil sign in OBIE, OAC, FAW is a clickable edit sign. Here you can add, see, by default it says that display save message. So whatever is the default message you can want, you can view it. If not, then just uncheck that box and write down your own custom title. Yeah, say
Yeah.
my first report or something like that. Just simple, lighter one. Okay. Now, in addition to this showing this nice title and all, if you want to add some additional image, you can also do that, right? It will give you some little interactive, nice view.
Okay. These images are available. If you want, we can upload also.
You can upload also. Right. Okay. So ideally these gauge and all these views are available because they want to, use it
Okay.
for indicators and all. So
Okay.
showing downtrends, uptrends, indicators. So these kind of gauge and light signals, we use it generally in OBI. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. This is mixture masala. All these things are.
Yeah. All this correct. And now the last type is if you see started date and time. So in many cases, user asks, it is a common ask that we want to see the current time and current date. So just click that display date, display time, or display date and time. You can select that. Okay. Now, if you see your title is small and time itself is big, right? So let's adjust the time. You can click on the calendar, A option, started time ke baaju mein. Just click on that. And check your size, check your font size, put it here as a 10, little small,
Here.
10, 12 something. Yeah. Okay. Make it as a bold, though it is a small, but it should be bold. So easily, identifiable. Style, click on a style.
This one bold. Where is the bold?
Style, Sadik. Middle option. Style written there, right?
Oh, okay.
Bold.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can see, okay, yeah. You can again, change the font also, but that's fine now. You understand, right? Option.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And you can save it. Now see, by adding these 2-3 features, your report started looking much better than the default one.
Okay.
Say okay.
Yeah, yeah. Center this one. Style equal to bold.
Mhm.
Color it is. Okay. Okay, save. I think color we have taken wrong one.
That's fine.
Okay. Prompt. What happened? What is that result?
Okay, you save it, right? Now this, oh, yeah. So you chose the wrong color. We'll go to that prompts, Sadiq. Yeah.
Mhm.
All you need to do is select your report color as a white. So click on
Background.
edit again. Edit. Not here. This will edit you the view. Just click on edit. Go up. Title.
Title.
Right? Okay. Why
My,
we are not seeing my first and haven't we saved? Oh, you haven't saved it. Okay, it's all gone. Okay, my first analysis report. Just click on the above. Yeah, right. That one and select as a white color. Color white.
here.
Mm-hmm.
No, this is background color we have to take, otherwise font color. Okay, I will take
Font
font
color.
color.
Font color.
Uh,
Huh.
okay.
Okay, and below I think background you will find somewhere. Huh? Border style says custom.
Here we are having background color.
Now you can select a dark color, whichever you want.
Let me take here something like this. I will take. Let it be. Okay, here border custom color here. I will take red color. Just I want to see the result. That's it.
No worries. You will now. Yeah, and say okay. Make sure you
Okay.
are saving the result. Huh? Just save it once.
Okay. Let me take the dates also.
Date and time. Right. I think you are you can see the preview here itself.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's
I can see.
yeah, right. So how it is going to look like? You can see the view here itself. You see it looks a nice, bright, shiny red color coming emerging from your background.
Yes. Something I will take this one. Background. This one. Font color is for this. Just I want to see the effects. That's it.
No
Here I
worries.
will take 12. Okay, no issues. Okay,
Okay, now you can let's save it first. Huh?
I saved it. This one.
Okay, you saved it, right? Click on done. Done. Don't click on revert. Everything will be gone again. Click on done. And now you can see your nicely colorful title.
Mhm.
Okay, it gives a nice vibe, right? When you look at the same data, it just representation is different.
Mhm. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, now this
Is it
becomes
possible to bring this one on right side of this one like this?
yeah, possible, right? You see, there is a position option is given. So position is whether you want to left, right, middle, in between. So what do you want? Time, right?
Horizontal, okay, vertical. Okay. This is left, I will
Okay,
take
okay. I
vertical.
get it. So you want that time to be displayed after title. Is that so?
Yeah,
I
exactly,
think that
exactly.
is not possible. That it will be always because time it's a time zone, right? It will be always below your title. Your title is main, and then in a tip, as a tip, your time will be shown there. So it will be, in my view, it will be always below only. Now, after once it is below, how you want to show? Whether you want to show just below the title or you want to show extreme left, extreme right, that's something you can adjust. Oh, wow. Okay, these are okay. Is this Oracle images or this is something it allows you to click custom?
When I click here, we are getting, suppose I
Decision.
click
Okay, so
here,
that's
I'm
the
getting this kind
addition.
of.
Ah, now I get it. That's the addition. Nice one. You can just click on any of these.
So,
Okay, you can click on save.
okay, we can bring that company logo here.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay.
You can save the result once you want. Now there is an option where you can actually rename this compound layout also. So I think above all below other options you are going to see same. Either you duplicate the compound layout, right? There is an option one after another.
Yeah, I need to rename this one. For this, what I have to do?
Okay. So there is an option. You need to go up, Sadiq, on all our main options above.
Okay, here.
So as soon as you select a compound layout, no, not there. That is a print option, right? Go to extreme right now. Go to extreme right. Extreme right or yeah. And just before that, there is a title. So just click on that. It says rename compound layout and then rename it.
Okay.
You could do
Okay.
it to my first compound layout or something, anything, just for a checking purpose. Okay, say okay.
No, it's not changing. Compound layout same. It is. We do not have. It's not change. Yeah. Yeah.
You can just save our results, right? Similarly, you are going to change the other one. Now let's check the compound. Let's check the so title view, right? All static views like a title view will have a same properties. So we need not to check everyone. Now let's see in detail a table view and then we will take a pause. Just click on edit. A and XYZ is same formatting option. No need to take it again. Yes, but edit we need to. Because here if you see there are different layouts below how the result is going to look like you will see in a above pan and below where you have a layout all these layout option the edit option is available here. So for example just scroll down where we see all the columns. So I think this is a pivot view we have selected because I see the columns and tables here. So rows are nothing but you have a rows like how by which dimension value you want to split your amounts. So business unit description, account detail, it is a row here. Now I want you to drag account details to little bit up above pivot table. So can you just scroll up? Yeah. Hold on. Before we drag anything, scroll up. Let's understand one by one. Pivot table prompt is something in this view. If you want to select the random values, right? So we can create a view specific prompt here itself. All you need to do is pick up dim account and drag it to the table prompt.
Dim account here. Okay, from here.
Just drag it to table pivot table prompt. No, not from there. It has to be from your selected view only. You see there is a section called rows.
Yeah.
Pivot, you pick up from here. No, not like that. Actually drag. No, let's wait for the 4 arrow sign. 4 arrow sign should be there. Just hover the mouse till the time you get a 4 arrow sign on that column. Not there. This is a single arrow, 4 arrows, Sadiq.
4 arrows means where I have.
This is 4 arrows, right? Now you drag it.
Okay.
Now you drag it and push, leave it to the table view. And you see the result. Look at the above. You already started seeing the preview. You see your account detail become a selection criteria. So by default, it is cleaning and maintenance. Now you will see, you can select the different values from the, one and accordingly you can see the value. So these are very, very nice features. Okay. And mainly we generally use it everywhere. Now,
Okay.
let's assume that you don't want to use this account layout and all. Get that column again back to the rows, or
This one.
instead of dragging, just drag it to the section. Just drag it to the section. Let's see here only what happens. And if you see, as soon as you added section, the same default region is divided into multiple sections by account detail.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And if you do
Okay.
not want anything, again, you are coming back and adding it to the rows. Hmm. Correct. And the other
Okay.
option is there, you see excluded. If you remember, when we see the compound layout values, or overall view values, you were able to see whether we are able to exclude and include columns. So if you just pick up again, drag the account detail to exclude and leave it, you see your account details is gone from result. No prompt, no selection, no section, completely gone out. That means you can actually exclude few of the columns from here also. So that's how it is going to be.
Okay.
Okay, you can save the results now. We will take a pause here today, Sadiq, and we will continue, take it ahead from here tomorrow, because these are all
Okay.
the detailed sections and we will, require this much time to cover.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Sadiq, then, yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Pallavi. You
Thank
too.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.